As we travel through this world, we come to discover that great things come from small beginnings. That power lies in the slightest of gestures. The experiences we seek unfold from the earth beneath our feet. That the infinite can be held in the palm of your hand. Gathered from deep sea, forest and field, every seed, root, fruit is pure potential, unlocked by human hand. Through intimate knowledge, experience and inspiration, a global palette is crafted across time. Whispers become roars. A pitch-perfect symphony, a composition that is yours. Dressed and seasoned, roasted, poured, seared, steamed, savoured, sipped, devoured. A plate of perfection. Senses engaged in total harmony, each taste telling 1,000 stories, evoking deepest memories in just a second's exchange. How does the journey end? With you, naturally.